Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use PhotoRoom to create a clean ID photo background for passport, visa or any other official documents. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the home page, tap Start from Photo. Then please make sure to select a photo with an individual. As soon as you select the PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background using AI, where this gives you a clear cutout of your subject and you will be redirected to a page with different editing sections. Within it, scroll down until you see Classic section. Here, tap on white or any plain background preview depending on your ID requirements. As soon as you click on it, it opens the editor page where you can edit background to ensure that the color is solid or even by tapping on the background button. Then tap on the layer button. Within it, tap version, and now you can edit cutout to clean up edges around hairs or shoulders if you want. Also, make sure to adjust the subject position so your face is entered and clearly visible. Next, tap resize. Now choose custom dimension or a portrait format that matches your ID photo requirements. When everything looks correct, tap save. Then from the ready to share screen, choose save to roll if it is not selected, and then tap close design. Now it will successfully save the edited image in your gallery, and that's how you can use PhotoRoom to create ID photo backgrounds easily and professionally. Always double check the background colors as well as the size based on your document requirement. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.